In Pacific, you can import product data and product carbon footprints that have previously been exported from your internal systems. This functionality enables you to efficiently create new products, update existing ones, or enrich your products with PCF information. A comprehensive guideline is available to support you in completing the import template, which can be downloaded directly from the application. Once the template is completed, the data can be imported into Pacific, where you can further manage your PCFs and easily share them with your customers. During the import process, the data is automatically validated. If any issues are detected, Pacific provides a detailed validation report highlighting invalid or incomplete data. This allows you to quickly correct any errors and successfully re-import the data. After a successful import, a sustainability expert can review the PCF values and approve them for publication. Once approved, the PCF data can be shared with your customers. See the next video how this process works in practice. Pacific offers even more features. Be curious and stay signed in.